Oi! Mercy, mercy, mercy. Hi guys. So I have right here one of the world's best natural medicine. And it is growing wild. And the reason I said that it is growing wild is because I didn't put it there. It's a volunteer. But because I grow organically and I usually bury my kitchen scraps in my containers for those who don't know. Hence, I got this. And it just spread out. I need my citrus to thrive properly, so I'm taking it out. I need to get it out of the container. I've been putting it off like forever because when I saw that it was coming up in the container, I said, alright, let it stay temporarily and then I'll move it. And every time I say, alright, I still move it. And every time I still move it. And every time I still move it. Well, the time has come because I need my citrus. Let me tell you, it is actually a tangerine. Yes, it is in my tangerine container, so I need to get it out. There are a lot of leaf miners on my tangerine and I need to just prune it back. I don't want any root crop to be competing with the roots down there. You get what I'm saying here? So I'm just going to take it out. So let's see what is inside. Alright, so this is it close up. You see I have some dry ones right there. That means something in there is actually ready. Right? Because usually you wait until you see the leaves die down, you harvest it. Not that you won't get anything, you know, but I'm speaking in regards to getting it fully mature and ready. But whatever is inside, I'm taking them out. If you look at my tangerine tree right here, it is filled with leaf miners. I need to take better care of it because these leaves now were blocking it. I didn't notice, so I just decided that, you know what, time to take out this thing here. Here we're calling this medicine. Time to take this medicine out and see what's inside, and so that I can free up the container. If I'm going to even put anything else in this container, I don't want to put a root crop inside here. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So for those of you who don't know, this is turmeric and it is very beneficial. It has so many health benefits, but I'm not a physician, I'm not a bush doctor, I'm no nothing. So I'm not giving you any advice, but I know that it is very good for a lot of things like skin problem, respiratory problem, digestive problem, joint pains, and many more. But like I said, I am not a physician, so I encourage you to do your own little research, yeah, and see how it benefits you. Usually, I am not out of turmeric. My mother always makes sure that I have turmeric. That is why I don't usually try to plant it, but this, as I said before, is a volunteer. And I have another one and I didn't plant it as well. Both of them are volunteers. Usually when I was in the country, my grandmother would say, run go around a bush for this, or run go around a bush for that, or run go up a bush for that. That's the farm. Usually they say bush instead of farm or garden. So she said, go around a bush, go get piece of Thursday. Go around a bush, go get piece of this. Go around a bush, as a head hurt you. Alright, get tuna. Go and get piece of tuna. Your belly ache. Go and get some seriously. You have fever. Go and get some fever grass, aka lemongrass. So yes, it was always like that. So in town, everything. Oh, let me go by the pharmacy. Let me go by the pharmacy. Let me go by. Well, not anymore, since I started growing my own little medicines and my own little herbs. Yeah, enough of that. I appreciate you one and all. Welcome to all my new gardening family. Big ups to you, my faithful gardening family. Big shout out to you, my channel members. I appreciate you one and all. Alright, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so, and of course thank you so much in advance. Alright, so let's see what is in here. just remember something. I know if you are pregnant, because my grandmother was a midwife in her community, but then they used to go to hospital. They used to go around in the community and deliver babies. I remember it was said that pregnant ladies must not have too much turmeric. So that is something you can also research if the cap fits you or about to or planning to fit you. Alright, enough of that. Let's see what it says. Don't have anywhere to put turmeric right now, but if I find somewhere, I will definitely put maybe a little piece somewhere. This is so hard. Should have watered it before. My. Look at turmeric, guys. Look at that. You can see that it wanted to stay some more. I have to take it out of this container. Oh my. And one thing I know about turmeric and ginger, wherever you plant them, and peanut, yeah, wherever you plant them, you're going to forever have them there, because you're going to see turmeric come up back in this bucket. That's just how it is. It's like you're never able to take out everything unless you get rid of that soil completely. Something will grow back. I am just giving you a close-up right here. I am basically going to clean it up, take off everything what is there, and show you. You can imagine if I was leaving this baby, guys. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Ooh. Look at that. Guys, look at here. And this is a volunteer, like I said, and it just started growing wild. Could have every time I say I'm going to take it out, I don't, you know. Wow. Ooh, wow. Look at here. That's a lot of turmeric right there. There are so many that can be replanted. I wish some of you were near, I could give you, because I always have. Look at medicine. And these now, these can just cut off and plant back. Right here, just cut off the foliage and plant back these.
Hi, Stacey.
Hey! Oh God, Daniel.
Right now?
Look at this. This had a lot more to go. A whole lot more to go. They are so rich. Rich. It's very, very easy to grow, you know. One of the easiest thing ever to grow. Oh. Really and truly, all I need is a little piece like this. Even this can give you that and a lot more. It grows vigorously, so the longer, the more you get. And once you grow it, that's all you need. You will always have it, because I'm pretty sure that something is left or you can get something back from it to plant. So you'll have endless supply once you get it once to plant. So you see this right here, it will go on and on and on and on. I may put them somewhere. I will let you know. I'll definitely let you know. Alright. So, let me see if all of that can hold in my hand. Let me see. I break them up, so no, I don't think so. Let me bring you closer instead. So look at these, guys. Look how rich. Woo. So I'm going to wash them off and just put them to cure. That's a whole lot of turmeric right there. A whole heap. Let me get something to put them in. Alright. Look at here. So I'm basically just going to wash them up, and yeah, I'm going to show you again. After cleaning them up, I am going to show you. These are volunteers, you know. You can imagine if I was deliberate, maybe it would be the same thing. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and please share with others if you can. Until next time, walk good. So these are they, guys, washed up. Look at them. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.